Right guys, today we're going to be looking at another comparison video. This time we're looking at icmarkets versus Nvidia Trade. Now stay tuned because I'm about to break it all down for you, comparing them both and giving my personal opinion at the end. Right up first, we've got icmarkets. We can see here that they do offer a free demo as well and a very, very good graphic design to them. We can see that pip spreads start from 0.0, leverage is 1 to 500, micro lot trading of 0.01, tradable instruments over 2000, and dedicated support 24/7. Okay, so they do have, like we see here, spreads 0.0 pips. Now, if we take a look, the spreads, obviously it goes down into multiple different avenues. Can be quite confusing for a beginner to actually understand which ones you get for which certain instrument sort of thing. So I can understand that this could potentially be a downside. They do have an account raw spread, which is $3 commission. Raw spread popular account is $3.5, and then your standard account is 0 commissions, but I believe that would be the higher spread account. They have fast order execution and institutional grade trading as well. They have over $1.64 trillion as trading value from April 2024, over 200,000 active clients, and an excellent 4.8 out of 5. Okay, so they've got MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, cTrader, and you can link it to TradingView as well. And they cover the global markets at your fingertips, from cryptocurrency, stocks, commodities, bonds, forex, indices, and also futures. You can open an account in 4 simple steps. That's register, verify, fund, and trade. So it is nice and simple probably to get the account. The only downside I can potentially see at the moment is that confusing spreads of which actual account you should be able to purchase. But let's take a look at Nvidia Trade. Okay, so Nvidia Trade, we've looked at these before, and I'll quickly go over it for you again. So they're regulated and licensed and also secure. You can trade and invest in the effective way. Okay, so account funding is nice and simple as well. Easy deposits, quick withdrawals. You can do that via crypto or even wire and bank deposits as well. Now, more reasons. They have market expertise. You get the full service with Nvidia Trade. So like it says here, they have EAs, market insights, and analyst tools available. Multiple trading platforms, multiple opportunities, passive income with their affiliate program, and also offering traders the safest trading environment. Now, if we were to look at the platforms they offer, is TradingView plus DX, MetaTrader, MT Cloud 4 and 5, Cloud Vision X, and Cloud Trader View. Now, if we were to look at the trading, you can see that the pairs and stocks, they do actually cover the full wide variety of markets, from forex, indices, commodities, cryptos, and also stocks as well. They do have multiple account types as well. They go from standard, pro, VAR, and also mini. That obviously the spreads do vary depending on the account, as like we saw with icmarkets. Now, if we look at the deposit and withdrawal section, we can see that it's nice and simple. They have multiple different methods. You can use debit or credit card for instant transactions, and also using Bitcoin if you are a crypto enthusiast. But there we have it, guys. That was icmarkets versus Nvidia Trade. Me personally, I understood what icmarkets were doing, but if you're a beginner and you're looking to get into the market straight away, I do believe that the way they produce their spreads and the way they put like the little asterisks to hide the fact that you won't always get the 0.0 spread. You'll get the one that the account matches, if that makes sense. Everything looks good with icmarkets. However, I think Nvidia Trade, with the likes of those EAs, the market insights, the total transparency with the spreads, and also the withdrawals and deposits, nice and easy, showing you from the homepage the nice 3-step plan to get set up, Nvidia Trade takes it for me. But let me know down in the comments if you agree and if there's any others you would like me to review. But thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, press that bell to be notified of my next video. But for now, peace.